Voice AI. You hear the hype everywhere, right? But what's actually real? Beyond all the buzzwords, how is this tech really making a difference for businesses, like today? Well, that's exactly what we're going to unpack. In this explainer, we are diving deep into the top 5 real-world use cases that are already getting some seriously powerful results.
Okay, let's just jump right in with a question that I think hits home for a lot of businesses out there. Are you missing calls? Seriously, because every single time that phone rings and just goes to voicemail, that could be a customer, a client, or a patient just deciding to take their business somewhere else. And this leads us perfectly into our very first and honestly the most common application of voice AI.
So what's on the docket today? We're starting with a classic, the AI receptionist. Then we're going to shift gears and talk about how to supercharge your lead generation. From there, we'll explore how AI is totally changing customer support. Then we'll get into 2 kind of surprising automation engines that are real game changers. And finally, we'll pull it all together with the one big idea you're going to want to remember.
All right, first up, the AI receptionist. This is the one, it's the foundational use case that makes immediate sense to pretty much everyone, and for a really good reason. It solves the problem that is absolutely fundamental to doing business.
Look, here's the bottom line. Missed calls are lost money. It's really that simple. When a potential customer calls you, they have a need right now. If you're not there to answer, you can bet someone else will be.
And here is a stat that should make every single business owner just sit up and pay attention. A study found that a whopping 70% of people book with the very first business that gets back to them. Why? Because in this on-demand world we live in, speed is everything. The first one to answer is seen as the most ready to help. So, an AI receptionist isn't just answering a phone, it's winning you business by being first in line every single time.
And we're seeing this work wonders across so many different industries right now. I mean, think about a busy dental practice trying to schedule appointments, or home service contractors, plumbers, electricians, who are literally on a job site and can't possibly answer the phone. Even law firms are using this as a safety net, making sure they capture every single potential client who calls in.
Okay, let's move on to our second use case because it really builds on this idea. We're shifting from people calling in to you calling out. And we're focusing on one critical thing, speed. We're talking about speed to lead. Now get this, research from MIT found something pretty wild. The value of a brand new lead has about a 5-minute shelf life. Yeah, if you don't make contact within 5 minutes of them filling out a form on your website, your chance of ever connecting with them just nosedives. That's not a window of opportunity, that is a ticking time bomb. And honestly, most businesses are letting it go off over and over again.
So what happens when you use AI to diffuse that ticking time bomb? The results are, well, they're pretty incredible. As you can see right here, even on a slow day, an automated AI is booking appointments with 25% of the leads that would have probably just gone cold. And on a good day, that number jumps to a massive 40%. We're talking about turning dead leads into actual appointments all on autopilot.
And here's how simple it is. The second a lead hits submit on your website form, the AI instantly calls them. And whether they answer or not, it can follow up with a text message too. The whole goal is just one thing. Get that appointment booked while that person is still interested. This is an absolute game changer for any business that gets a lot of online leads. I mean, think about software companies, marketing agencies, but really it's for anybody who relies on their website to bring in new business but doesn't have a giant sales team sitting by the phone 24/7. All right, use case number 3. This one takes us into the world of customer experience. And this is all about using voice AI not just to get customers, but to support the ones you already have intelligently and super efficiently.
We've all been there, haven't we? Stuck on hold forever, listening to that horrible music just so you can ask one simple question? The new way is completely different. Voice AI gives you instant answers to all those common questions. It can smartly route the really tricky issues to the right human, and it offers that basic support around the clock, 24/7. And the impact here isn't just about making customers happier. It hits the bottom line. By letting an AI handle all those simple, repetitive questions, businesses can cut their support costs by up to 40%. But here's the real magic. This doesn't put people out of work. It elevates them. It frees up your human experts to solve the complex, high-stakes problems where their skills are truly needed. And this is already making a huge difference all over the place. E-commerce companies use it for, hey, where's my order updates? The big banks and telecom companies use it for basic account questions. And it's incredibly powerful in the insurance world for handling those initial claims and just gathering basic info.
Okay, now for our last two use cases. I want you to think of these as a powerful duo, the ultimate automation engines. They take on these high-volume and, let's be honest, often really undesirable tasks and just completely take them off your team's plate. The efficiency gains here are massive.
So first, let's talk about use case number 4, debt collection. It's a total numbers game that needs just relentless, high-volume follow-up calls. It's also a job that can be really draining for people, which makes it the perfect candidate for AI. Then, we have use case number 5, appointment reminders. No-shows are a silent killer for any service business. The fix is simple. Call and remind people, but doing it manually takes up so much time.
This quote from the source material it says it all, doesn't it? Let's be honest, some jobs are just a grind. Debt collection is all about follow-up, and that can be exhausting for a human agent. But an AI, it never gets tired, it never gets frustrated, and it can follow that follow-up sequence perfectly, every single time. It's a true win-win. And the impact of automated appointment reminders? It's huge. A 25% drop in no-shows goes straight to your bottom line. But think about the time you get back. If your front desk staff spends just 2 hours a day making reminder calls, that's 10 hours a week you just handed back to them. That's time they can now spend on what really matters, giving your clients an amazing experience when they walk in the door.
So, after going through all 5 of these use cases, what's the big picture here? Well, it's about changing how we think about this technology. This isn't just another tool. This is your new digital teammate.
This right here is the most important takeaway from our whole discussion. Voice AI is brilliant at handling the tasks that are repetitive, that are time-sensitive, and that are high volume. It is not about replacing people. It is about augmenting them. It frees up your human team to focus on creative problem solving, on building real relationships, on doing all the incredible things that humans do best.
This breakdown was brought to you by us here at Voiceonic. If you're ready to get your own AI employee and see what it can do for your business, just head over to voiceonic.com.